Alright, so I'm making a split. Good sheet of brood here, good sheet here, but look right here. This is where that oxalic acid strip was hanging. Alright, so look at that. I don't know what this is all about. Oh, this is filling in where that oxalic acid strip was at. I hate to do that, but I don't want it in there. I want them to fix that comb. Alright, so you see right here, there's a queen cell here. Alright, so you got brood here and you got brood here, so I want to slide these together. I just took a good chunk of their population out between two hives, the one right here and the split. So I'm not going to add this second box right here back, the super. I'm going to give them some frames. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is a 1.5 gallon feeder, I bet. Maybe, well, I don't know. It looks kind of small to be a 1.5 gallon, but it's not. It's actually a single gallon. Alright, so I need to add another frame. The single frame and the double frame feeders are just not built to accommodate 8 or 9 frames. The 1.5 gallon is will accommodate 8 perfectly. You won't need too much space. Alright. This fits kind of tight. You see how it's cattywampus right there, so I got to pull it up and redo it. It's even harder when all the frames got a lot of comb on it.